Log into the EazyGo app using your phone number and the OTP received via WhatsApp. Once logged in, you'll see a list of all the diagnostic studies shared with you to date. Click on any study to view it in real time. You can view the entire study in DICOM format with intuitive controls right at your fingertips. Scroll through the images as needed. Adjust the grayscale and contrast by sliding up and down or left and right. By clicking the bottom tabs, you can access clinical photos and videos like endoscopy recordings, retina photos, and other media associated with the patient. The third tab provides access to reports and documents related to the study, such as MRI reports or EEG tracings. You can easily go back and select any other study to view with just a tappy. For studies like MRIs, you can click through different series such as T1, T2, T1 contrast, or diffusion-weighted images. Since all images are in DICOM format, you can zoom, annotate, or mark them as needed. One of the key features is easy sharing. With just one click, you can copy and share the study link via WhatsApp, email, or message.